Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you where to enable or disable the power on, power off sound on your iPhone 16e. So to enable or disable it, just go to settings and tap on accessibility. Now scroll down until you see audio and visual, and here you'll be able to find the power on off sounds, and you can just toggle it off and on, and each time you power off your device, for example like this, as you can hear, we heard the sound and it worked. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.